I'm here at the Züritrails. They have a FMB silver event, but I'm not gonna ride it. I'm here practicing and trying at the jumps. I have never been riding the contest course here, and it's very cool. So yeah, let's drop in for a lap and get used to it and see what the boys do here.
Och sen är det lite tajt med fart in i första.
Okej, så pumpa första.
Ja, exakt. Och sen är det bara rulla.
Okej, nice. Nice. Tja Anton! Det är bra, hur är det med dig? Nice. Man sa i kvalet räknas inte den här då? Nej. Men i finalen så gör den det? Ja. Så då kör man slingan och sen så klättrar man upp här?
Ja, i finalen ja.
Okej. Jag ska prova. Filip, rullar man bara härifrån?
Bra, påstående!
So much fun doing runs here actually. I could actually feel a bit urged to drop in for a run, but I'm doing shows in another town so I can't do it time-wise, but it would be so cool. And there is 6 Swedes here competing, which is going to be very cool to see as well. They were in France the last week, ending up on the podium, lots of that, so I can't wait to follow the event here as well. Brakeless is it's a bit scary, no?
I was not planning on riding.
Yeah. But now you are. Crazy. That's good. I definitely need to come back here and ride all the jumps because they closed the smallest line, which is insanely fun. So I'm gonna do some runs with foundation if I would do a contest run. This gets me pretty eager to do a contest soon again actually. Yeah. So Till, that was the guy that did the windshield wiper on the video from Germany. And let's see, he wants to flip the spine now. Yes. Oh! Dropped a foot, but very good. Yeah. Nice. Yo. Okay, now I'm in Sursee doing some shows for Hoschi Days. Very cool.
All right,
let's go.
We're at it. Guys, you ready?
Good morning. Nice. Good morning.
How are you doing?
Good, a bit tired, but
Me too, I'm sore.
Yeah.
I don't know why, I'm sore.
Yeah, same.
Just warming things up. Alex, all the way from Sweden. Oh, yes, just let's go.
Yeah, so we're gonna do step by step, higher level on the tricks. So yeah, we're just gonna have the camera on and let's do some tricks. coming up then?
Yes.
Yes, nice 360 from David. Alex coming in. I love the tint on his bike. Oh, the tail whip. Now we're getting warmed up. Now we're feeling good. Here we go. Backflip.
Yeah. That's what everyone wants to see. It's crazy. It's like 30 degrees here and we hike up back and forth. It's an insane cardio session, to be honest, and especially with the heat. It's crazy. Yeah. Like he's pretty young.
12.
12. Okay. That's
I started riding bikes when I was 15.
yeah.
That's insane.
That's crazy.
When did you start riding?
12, I guess.
12.
Yeah.
Alex on course. Yes. Backflip 1 foot can.
Okay, should we do the add-on thing?
Yeah. Can I do it 360?
360, yeah. And I can add on to that. Can you do a no-hander? Tack no-hander?
No, not Zui.
Okay. Maybe I can do 3 tack no-hander. If you do 360, you do Zui, and I do 3 tack no-hander.
Yeah, it's okay.
Good. Okay, so we will add on to the tricks. So the first guy doing 360, then the second no-hander, and I do 360 no-hander, and let's see. So cool.
David, Niels on wheels, and Alex in the next round of add-on. David started things off. What do we got? Let's see. Next trick, 360, okay. Niels on wheels, Spike Mouse. Spike to the trick. What has he got? He's got a 360. Okay, tuck no-hander. So Alex must add the 360 to the tuck no-hander. Oh, sick! So nice.
Nice one, everyone got it.
Yes.
Good.
Let's go.
Let's go. You did 3x, yeah?
Next, I'll give a look. Here we go. Oh, front flip.
Okay, they're adding on, so it's a fronty tuck coming up. Hopefully. Yeah. Oh, very nice.
Suicide no-hander. Tuck suicide no-hander. And we'll see what. I think you could just do whatever you want.
Yeah, Zui bar maybe.
Here we go. Alex is going to add some tricks on here. Oh, yes! Tuck suicide to bar. Okay, so we've had a 360 and a backflip. So now we're going to have the cork 7, which used to be called the 360 backflip. Adding the 2 tricks together. Here we go. Cork 7 from Alex. Yes! Sick cork 720. Oh, yes. What do you think? Louder, bitter, louder, and rock and roll. Yes, it's good.
Let's
He
go.
does only a double backflip.
Yo,
Yes.
so good. Ooh, some Swedish tech coming up.
Some Swedish tech coming up. Here we go. What's Alex got for us? Oh! 360 truck to whip. Holy moly, 3 tricks in one.
Okay, this trick is gonna be insane actually. Modo inspired.
Here he goes. Oh!
Yo, crazy.
Oh, 360 down whip, super nice.
Oh, I can't believe we're doing laps in this. I would never ride in this heat if it weren't for a show. But actually pretty cool. Oh,
No hands,
12-year-old did on nothing. Very cool. Nice one. Very good.
Coming in, hot wheels next with us, 360X. Oh, flip bar spin, the flying wheel train is on fire right now.
Very cool shows and so cool to be here in Switzerland doing them. This setup was insanely nice and yeah, stoked to be here.